Well, here we are on the terrace now, and we finished our load of towels and we're going to hang them as best we can, apartment living style. So I have a little airer and mainly use this for towels, and because we have a slight security screen on our terrace, it's not offensive to other people to hang our washing out here. So I'm going to start with our big beach towel, which I need a little bit more room than this can offer. So I'm just going to pop around here. All good, that's hanging there and it'll dry in no time. And then with the rack, I use the inside for the little things and put the larger towels on the outside so that they will dry quicker. And this is a thicker the bath mat, and I'll just pop that over the centre, over two racks, into the sunshine, ready.